Okay, I need to clarify a couple things about embedding videos into the group blogs and some of the issues that we have been having with that in the OIC. So I think this one is all squared away. I want to kind of give you some understanding as to what's going on. So when we updated with Blackboard, we, as you know, increased the tool capacity to all of our text editor stuff. Okay, which means that if you are typing text, you should always be in the text editor section. If you are embedding a code, you should only do that in the HTML section. Because what happens is if you type in this HTML view and you do an emoticon of any kind, like here's my little smiley emoticon, it's reading that as code. So it's breaking everything that happens after that emoticon. So after this post, everything in Blackboard, anybody that posts after this post will disappear. So we had this problem before with iframes. It's not the iframe problem. It is actually a coding issue, and we need to make sure that when we are dealing with text, we only write text in the text editor. Here I can write smiley faces until the cows come home. When it shows up here, you can see that here is the HTML where it says paragraph and end paragraph. So this is the text. If you just type directly into the HTML section, it is seeing that as code. So something else that has been happening that is causing some issues in Blackboard is if you hit enter right here in the text editor, and then you paste your iframe code. See, notice how it has like these extra paragraph things. This can cause issues too. So this is an OIC person who is having some issues with his code. So we need to make sure when we do this, we copy the code. We can do it to the 640 by 360. Copy the code, and then in Blackboard, we need to make sure that we either type in, here's my video, I look forward to meeting you all online. Then we come into the HTML, and if you delete any of these end, so this says end paragraph, it keeps it hanging, so it doesn't see that it's supposed to finish. So if I delete this end paragraph and I update, you can see here is my text, here is my video. I'm going to go ahead and post this entry. Oh, I need to put a title in. Here's my test video. Post my entry. And when I scroll down, it should appear at the very bottom of the list, but you can see that it's not there because of that hanging. Oh, here it is. Okay, so it's here at the top. Now we can play the video. Now we can see it. Otherwise, sometimes this comment feature disappears, and that's what a lot of people have been having issues with, is this comment bar. So we have to make sure that the HTML is clean. A better way to do this, instead of having to go through and finding the HTML code and adding that to the HTML section, like I just showed you, is to use the mashup tool within the text editor itself. So if I click on my mashup tool and I go to YouTube video, I can search for my videos. Actually, if I come to this video everywhere, I can sign into YouTube. So let's see, this is grant access. And then I can browse my videos from here. So you can see Here are some of my videos from Blackboard Support. I can insert them. I can change the properties, so I can do 640 by 480, play in place, and then insert. And then I can post my entry, and I will have two videos now, one embedded through the mashup tool, which allows me the full comments. This is the best method to do it because we still have the ability to watch this later full screen, but this is resolving that HTML issue that we are running into. Let me know if there are any other questions for you guys. Just make sure that when you are in that text area, that's where you're writing your text. If you are in the HTML, just post HTML. Don't write in that area because it will not work and breaks things.